Today we'll be installing an EcoHitch part number X7239 on a Ford Fusion. If you find this video helpful, consider giving it a like and hitting the subscribe button below for future installs. Remove the plastic underbody panel and discard. And insert the coil end of the bolt fisher into the hole closest to the rear of the vehicle. Fish the coil end of the bolt fisher until it exits the farthest hole. Attach one bolt, one inner tooth lock washer, and one plate washer to the bolt fisher and pull into place. Repeat for farthest hole and on opposite side. Raise the hitch into position on the vehicle frame, allowing the bolts hanging from the frame to enter the hitch. For each bolt, place 2 flat washers, 1 lock washer, and 1 hex nut, and hand tighten on all 4 bolts. Take the supplied bolt fisher and fish the coil end through the impact bar until it exits the opening in the rear of the impact bar. Attach 1 bolt, 1 inner tooth lock washer, and 1 plate washer, and attach it to the bolt fisher. Pull the hardware through the frame. Repeat on opposite side of vehicle. Place the frame strap onto the bolt. Place 1 flat washer, 1 lock washer, and 1 hex nut onto the upper impact bar bolt and hand tighten. Place 1 bolt, 1 flat washer, and insert it through the hitch plate and through the strap. Secure with 1 flat washer, 1 lock washer, and 1 hex nut, and hand tighten hardware. Repeat on opposite side of vehicle. Once all hardware has been installed, torque the 3/8" hardware 35 feet-pounds and the 1/2" hardware to 75 feet-pounds. Your EcoHitch is now installed and ready for your next adventure.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torque products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.